While the entire world is going crazy about DeepSeek AI, we're going to take a look at this new tool, the new kid on the block that apparently can go through LinkedIn jobs, do tasks for you online, even go rogue on Twitter. And we're going to go try out some use cases. I've never used this tool before, just logged in right now. And we're going to go see what's up with Convergence. So we're going to try job hunting in Miami for a sales role. So it seems like it figured out the job description on its own, or it's looking for that, and it started this task. And on the right, what we can see here is what it can see right now. So it's trying to log into LinkedIn, I guess, which I'm not logged in. So I guess I'll have to share my details. So we managed to log in. Okay, so it did that entirely on its own. I didn't do anything. AI, verify using SMS. I guess it can't do that on its own. Check on the LinkedIn app. Great. So that worked, apparently. So now it seems like it's control of my LinkedIn account and it's gonna go look for some jobs for me. Great. So now it's looking for sales jobs in Miami, which seems to be the instructions that I gave it. So it finished a task and gave me a bunch of jobs, right? And I'm assuming I could copy paste these into a spreadsheet or something like that and then go ahead and apply to these. But that's not really useful, right? So I asked it, well, can you apply to these jobs? And it looks like it's actually filling out the easy apply form now. So I'm not doing anything. I guess I could go change my information there. Oof. My CV is attached. Now it's answering some questions for me. I'm assuming it's doing a good job there. And there we go. It submitted the application. So not bad for me having to do absolutely nothing with this. And I guess I can automate the task. So now I could say, okay, continue to do this every day for X amount of time. Now, obviously it's kind of slow. I mean, this took around, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes, but I guess if this runs in the background and I don't need to be a part of it, might even be good that it's slow, right? We don't want to apply to 50 jobs per minute because then LinkedIn would probably ban us. All right, so let's try something new. Here we're using the news tool, which apparently we can give it a task every day to research some newspapers or website, give us everything that we want to know. Again, it's taking a long time. I'm assuming, it's overloaded right now because many people want to know what this is about, and they just haven't prepared their servers to put up with the load. So with that, I'm gonna leave this tool for now. I'm probably not gonna use it for daily tasks right now, but I think overall a really good use case showing of what will be possible really soon, right? Soon we'll have tools, browsing LinkedIn, browsing jobs, applying for us, doing tasks every day that we assign it to do, and it will update and learn from them and get better and better. So if you had value from this video, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, follow for more of this kind of content, and maybe up here in the corner, I'll show you the next one of one of these tools, which potentially is better than this one.